Hello guys, welcome to my channel Genetic Coding. In this video we will discuss the concept of Inkwell. Whenever we have to make any widget into the clickable widget, then we use Inkwell widget. Although we have already available different type of buttons for click event. What when we want to customize our widget and apply clickable event on that widget, then Inkwell comes into the role. Inkwell provides us functionality click many type of event like on tap, on double tap, on long press, and these type of events can be possible using Inkwell widgets. So let's start further for our implementation for the Inkwell widget. For this purpose, I've already made my class Inkwell demo. Here in the body part, I have defined a container, and inside it at the center, I have defined a widget with write Inkwell demo in it. I have applied box decoration on it and applied top left and bottom right radius here, and also apply the border around it. I have applied some type of padding also here so that it will look like some type of button here. Now for applying the click event, we will wrap this widget into Inkwell widget. Here it is, Inkwell. Now Inkwell provides us many type of methods, in which some methods are available only on view web and desktop, and other remaining are supported by mobile platform. So we will discuss first of all methods which are supported by mobiles tab. These are events and used for detecting different type of gestures and clicks. So we will start from our tap methods. Here we will override on tap, on double tap, on long press. These are method. Now when we run it, now when I click on tap, you can see our on tap method is pressed. Now when we double click, our on double tap method is called. When I press long press, then you can see our long press method is called. When we want to detect the position, like if I press here, then I want to detect the position on the screen when I click on it, then these are the methods which are used, like on tap down, on tap down, on tap cancel tap. On tap up method is called when we release our click event, like when I press on it and leave that, then on tap up called, and on tap down called when I press on that button, then I called on tap down button. And here we will get details like details dot global position dot dx and details dot global position dot dy. Global position dot dx means when I click on near to the w, then this position detect according to global coordinate. Our global coordinate start from the top left position of the screen. Here it is 0 0, so our screen is relative to this is our global position. Now when I click on it, I just detected the on tap up method. We will detect on tap down method also, like this, and we have on tap cancel method also. On tap cancel method is called when we press on the button And without releasing that press, we shift our focus to another widget. Then on tap cancel is called, or we pressing that click for long time, more than long press event. Then on tap cancel button is called, I have called like this: on tap down method pressed, and it give dx value 198, I mean this value, and dy, I mean this value and vertical value. So when I press on near w, then these are coordinate like 203 and 523. 523 is vertical distance and 203 is horizontal distance. So it is the global position. If I talk about local position, so local position is relative to its parent widget. Like I am clicking on inside this button type widget, then this position is relative to its boundary. Then when we talk about local position, then the position is relative to its outer boundary of widget parent. Like this, if I take local position, now this, now when I click on it, you can see here on local top down x is 47. When I click here, then x position is 47, so is related to its parent widget. And y position is 27, which is related to its y distance. When I click here like this, you can see local position is 132, means it is the at the edge of width, and height is 18. And if we talk about on tap down global position, it is far more in distance, like 277, which is from here, and it is 519, which is from here. So on tap down method is used when we want to detect the position where we click on the screen. And on tap we generally call when we want to take feedback from the button or call another functionality on the click of that visits. So in one line, on tap, on double tap, on press, only the simple methods for performing particular action. What when we call on tap up and on tap down, then these click event gives the detail where we click on the visit. And on tap cancel is called like when we click on long time, then on tap cancel pressed. Now we will learn how to customize it. For customizing, we have three type of parameters here. First is splash color, like this here. When we apply this like red color, now splash color is changed like this. Here it is. You can apply with opacity here, like with value alpha 0.6. Now we will get lower type of color. So splash detected when we click on tap. We have another highlight color. We will use it colors dot green. Highlight color is detected when we apply long press action, like click long press, then green color is detected with some type of animation and circle effect, like refill effect. When I click it, it is showing that circle is start and explore around the visit. So splash color is detected when we tap on the visit, and highlight color is detected when we long press on it. I hope you understand. Now, if you want to apply same color for splash color and highlight color. Then you can give the same color to these two properties, or we can apply overlay color like this. Overlay color and apply widget state property dot all and apply colors dot red dot with value 0.6 like alpha. When we apply this value to Inkwell, then on the blinking same color affected, and when I click on long press same color is applied. So overlay color deal with both splash color and highlight color. What when we want to deal particular property one by one, then we can use splash color and highlight color. Hope you understand very well. Now when we apply splash color like this, I'm clicking on it. Now you can see when I click on it, the effect of color is going out of radius of our visit, which is quite very ugly for this visit. So how you can manage that? You can apply border radius here. Border radius, border radius only. So we will apply same border radius, like on top left we applied some type of border radius, on top right. So exactly we apply same border radius like this. Here it is. Now when you click on it, you can see our ripple effect is perfectly aligned with our visit. Now you can see our circle is expanding from here. Now when you want to control the ripple effect radius, then our parameter radius is come into role. Like radius, if I give here 10 radius, then you will see our ripple effect will smaller, because we deal with this ripple effect circle radius. Now that when we apply a value from 10 to 50, then you will feel our radius is increasing. Now that so this is the way you can deal with your effect circle radius. Now when you want to apply custom radius to the ripple effect, then we use custom border. Here we will call rounded rectangle border, and we will call here border radius, and we will apply like this. And we will got the same effect from here. So what is the difference? We can achieve the same result from the border radius, and same result is achieved by custom border. So why we using this custom border instead of border radius? Same result is achieved by border radius. So the answer for this question is that in border radius you will ever only edit the corner of rectangle. Like you can apply only the radius at the corners only. What in the custom border, you can apply different type of shapes for the ripple effect like this. I will comment on it and apply some ripple effect, apply some custom border on it. How you can use custom border and apply stadium border. Stadium border will apply peels like effect like this. Like you have a capsule like effect here. by using stadium border. We have other predefined border also, which is called star border. Now using star border, you can detect start when you click. You can apply another type of custom widget. I mean, you can apply your custom shape as a ripple effect also. So now we will make our custom shape for applying ripple effect on it. So how you can do that? For this, we will make our new file, my custom ripple effect, and we will give this name a class hexagon effect and extend it with shape border. Now override essential all the methods. We will not we will deal with only with the method get inner path, but we have to be override other methods also. We will keep them unimplemented. Here it written a path. First of all, we will get the height and width of parent widget in which this hexagon effect will apply. For this, we have given a rect. Rect means rectangle. It will give us height and width of our parent widget. In case we have our button, so we will give here where width from rect dot width and where height rect dot height. Now we will draw our path. We will return scale of this, like whenever we change here we'll pass to this, and we will return here path dot move to. We will start our point to draw, like we will start from here. This is our first point. So if I talk about, so what is the position of this point? Let's say our width is, let's say our width is 200 and height is 44. Assume it 240. Now we will give x position. First of all, we have some type of x position here. Like if I talk about x and y value for this widget, then our 0 position is start from here. So our width and height, so let's say we have width 240, then we have to pick this point. So our x will be at the mid of our widget. So starting point will be width into 0.5 and y will value over 0, and we will move further. Now we will got here point here top, and now we will go here. So here our width is maximum and height we will make here 2 points. First is little quarter of at the top, and third one will be at the quarter of last here. So first one will be at the 25%. So we will call here 0.25, and again line 2. Now we will come at the bottom, so our x will be same like this, and y will be our 75, I mean 0.75, like this. Now our next point will come. First is top, and then second, then third, and next will be here at the bottom. Now height is maximum and width is half. So our y will be maximum like height, and x will be the same like width into 0.5. Now line 2 here, we will here and come here. Now our x is 0 0 and y is 0.75. Again line 2, x is 0 and h is 0.25. Now our point is come here, and now we call close. Here the last point will connect automatically at the end. So our hexagon effect is ready, and now we can apply it in our widget here. Now hexagon effect, apply, rerun our app. Now something is bad happen. What is unimplement error? Where it is in unimplement error in our hexagon effect? Okay. Return path, this is an implemented. Now rerun again it, click on it, again is some implemented. Inkwell demo. Oh, get. So our error was that we have written this path from the wrong override method. We have to be written this path from the outer path like this, but the and every calculation will be same, and here we will return only empty path because we are dealing on the outer part, not the inner part. And make sure on the method override dimension you return as insets dot 0. So starting position will be for drawing the path will be the 0. And in the override paint method you need not to do anything here. And in the shape border like scale, here just return this like this. Okay, and apply hexagon effect on the our file in custom border like this, hexagon effect. Now when you run that file, you will notice our effect will make look like this. This is our custom border for our class, and apply the ripple effect on it. So this is the main difference between the border radius and custom border. From the custom border you can define any type of shape for your ripple effect, and for the border radius you just edit the corners of the rectangle. Hope you understand. Now you can apply the style for the splash effect. How you can? Here we have splash factory. We have default our ink refill effect. I mean, when I click at the any position, then it start animation of spreading the color around the widget. It is called refill effect. Now we will apply ink sparkle effect. Sparkle dot splash factory methods is applying like this. Like when I click on it, it is sparking. You can apply another effect also, ink splash. It is like flash. So splash factory. Now you can, like, it is coming like splash. It is. These are the effect for applying the effect of refill. Refill effect. When I do not apply any type of effect, then it is applying its original effect to the widget. Now we have covered for the mobile part. Now we will come for the web view. Now I will close it here and I will run my app on the Chrome. Here it is. Now Inkwell has provided us many type of more method, like on secondary tab. It is just normal tab function. We deal with the on secondary, whether it is on tab, on secondary down, on secondary tab down up. These are methods when we right click on the desktop or web. The secondary methods are not available for the mobile. These methods are available for only web and desktop. So on secondary tab, on secondary tab down, it will give us a details, the position on which we click. On secondary up, like this, like this. We will copy this from here. So now we will run on it. You can see when we click right click, you can see on secondary tab down is pressed and secondary tab down local position is detected. It is local position detected and it is global position is detected. And when we just tap, it is calling on secondary tab also. Secondary tab just normal function for applying the events, and on secondary tab down and secondary tab up, secondary tab down is closed when we click right click, then secondary tab down is called, and when we release our click, then tab up is called, like this. Okay. So secondary tab down and tab up gives the details where we click. So this is the method which is available on the web. Now we will apply hover color, like a method on hover. It is called when we apply our, like we move our cursor on this widget, then this method is called, like this. We will call debug print on hover method is called. Now you will see when I go and I will come here and see on hover method is called. You can see on the bottom left corner, when I go on hover method is called. Now I will apply here a material widget, because hover color make effect when Inkwell widget is wrapped with material widget. And we will apply here colors dot transparent and apply here hover color, and hover color will be our red here. Now when we take our mouse here, you can see our widget detecting our hover of mouse. You can also change the type of mouse on the widget. How you can do that? Before that, we are on the hover color. You can change hover color and detect the hover method, and also you can set the hover duration. Like I will apply 1 second. It is when I get, it is once taking 1 second to perform the animation of over. Now we can change our type of mouse which is available on going when on the widget. So here is property called mouse cursor. Here we apply mouse cursor and system mouse cursor dot. These are different type of cursor available. Like I'm applying copy here. When you applying copy, you can see this effect is called here, like this. When you change another, like all scroll, like this, you can see it is the mouse is changing here. We have many type of widgets here. You can use them and make your mouse as you wish. Okay, if you got any knowledge from this video about the Inkwell, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.